How to log in multiple Gmail account on laptop or PC. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can add multiple accounts on your Gmail in laptop or PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, go to gmail.com, and if you're already logged in with one of your account and you want to add another account or multiple account, here is how you can do it. Click on your profile icon at the top right and then scroll down. There you will have an option to add another account, so click on add another account. If you want to log into one of your account here, you can choose one of that and then provide your password. Or if you are wanting to log in into some other account, then you have to click on use another account here. Now you have to enter your Gmail address and then click on next. After that, you will be asked to provide your password. Provide your account password. Once you have entered your correct login credential, if you have set up two-factor authentication, you have to verify that as well. And once verified, then you'll be directly logged into the account that you have provided the login credentials in your Gmail. And after that, you can easily switch between your account on Gmail in your laptop or PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.